5 Best Garbage Disposals. AC motor 450 watts kitchen food garbage disposal. AC motor 450 watts kitchen food garbage disposal crusher food waste disposers stainless steel grinder material kitchen appliances. Brand name Just Buy. Air switch control. Auto reverse grind system. Can be gutted dishwasher. Overload protector. Sound insulation. Stainless steel grinding elements. Continuous feed operation household garbage disposer. Air breaker convenient operation. Quick lock installation system convenient installation. Feed type, continuous. Feature, can be connected dishwasher, sound insulation, overload protector, air switch control, stainless steel grinding elements, auto reverse grind system. Type of motor, induction motor. Model, 8802. 1.4 liters grinding capacity food grinder garbage disposer. Overload protection, extend the service life, protect the machine. Power protection, automatic power off encounter a hard object, protect internal components. Leakage protection, leakage occurs automatically cut off the water. Overheat protection avoid forgetting to shut down for a long time, thermal damage caused by overheating. Food garbage disposal crusher waste disposers. Germany Technology AC motor kitchen food garbage disposal crusher waste disposers stainless steel grinder kitchen appliances. Brand name Just Buy. Voltage, 220 volts to 240 volts. Air switch control. Auto reverse grind system. Can be gutted dishwasher. Overload protector. Sound insulation. JIQI Kitchen food garbage processor disposal. 3-point locking, the product hanging evenly, the use of the thread tight, making the body is not loose, to reduce the vibration caused by loosening, to extend the tank and the machine life. Detachable splash ring, removable design detachable splash ring, more convenient to take at the cleanup, for the sudden card machine, foreign body card machine, power is easier to remove foreign matter. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.